Today our topic is thermal pollution. Meaning of thermal pollution. Industrial discharge of heated water into a river, lake or other body of water causing a rise in temperature that is dangerous for aquatic life and also to the environment. This means the discharge of heated liquid, that is such as wastewater from the factories or from the other sources, into natural water. Natural water means that is into the oceans or rivers or to the lakes at a increased temperature that is harmful to the environment and also harmful to the living things in the water. The discharge of water from factories cause rise in the temperature of rivers or lakes that is injurious to the water and living beings into the water. Thermal pollution is in two forms, that is thermal pollution of air that causes air pollution. Next, another form is thermal pollution of water causes water pollution. This water pollution is dangerous to the plants or animals living in the water. Next, definition of thermal pollution. Thermal pollution is the discharge of waste heat via energy dissipation into cooling water and subsequently into near waterways. Here, energy dissipation means losing or disappearing of heat from industries, losing or disappearing of heat into the water. This means leaving of waste heat from energy of heat losing into cooling water. That is losing heat that is in the near to the water areas like rivers, lakes, ponds or oceans. This is called thermal pollution. Next, the sources of thermal pollution are fossil fuel and nuclear electric power generating facilities, and to a lesser degree cooling operations associated with industrial manufacturing such as steel foundries and other primary metal manufacturers and chemical and petrochemical producers. This means the sources of thermal pollution are fossil fuel. Fossil fuels such as gas, coal and oil that is present in underground may also produce heat generation and might cause thermal pollution. That is, fossil fuel is one of the source or cause of thermal pollution. Next source is electric power generating facilities, means electric power using as for lighting, computer operations, entertainment applications, industrial heating applications and for cooking, and in railways that we use electric power, and from these electric power generating facilities heat is produced and might cause thermal pollution. And this is electric power generating facilities is another source of thermal pollution. Industries are main source of thermal pollutions such as steel industries, metal manufacturers and chemical and petrochemical producers. These are some factories which produce heat and causes thermal pollution. Causes of thermal pollution. First cause is water as cooling agent in power, manufacturing and industrial plants. Production and manufacturing plants are biggest source of thermal pollution. These plants draw water from nearby source to keep machines cool and then release back to the source with high temperature. When heated water returns to the river or ocean, the water temperature rises sharply. When oxygen levels are altered in the water, this can also degrade the quality and longevity of life in wildlife that lives underwater. Here, plants means industries. This means the industries takes water from nearby sources like rivers, lakes and ponds and oceans. That is to cool the machines in the factories and release back to the same sources with increased temperature. When water temperature increases, that decreases oxygen in the water. When oxygen decreases in the water, that is dangerous for the living beings in the water. Next, another reason of thermal pollution is soil erosion. Soil erosion is another major factor that causes thermal pollution. Consistent soil erosion causes water bodies to rise, making them more exposed to sunlight. The high temperature could prove fatal for aquatic biomes as it may give rise to aerobic conditions. Soil erosion means this is a process of destruction of land. This means prolonged soil erosion causes water sources to expose to the sunlight. By exposing to the sunlight, that increases the temperature in water, that is dangerous for the animals living in the water. Here, aquatic biomes means animals living in the water. Next cause is deforestation. Trees and plants prevent sunlight from falling directly on lakes, ponds, or rivers. When deforestation takes place, these water bodies are directly exposed to sunlight, thus absorbing more heat and rising temperature. Deforestation is also a main cause of high concentration of greenhouse gases, that is global warming in the atmosphere. Here this means deforestation means losing of forest, that is trees and plants. If we lose means that prevents sunlight from falling directly on lakes, ponds and rivers. That might also cause thermal pollution. Next, another cause is runoff from paved surfaces. Urban runoff discharged to surface water from paved surfaces like roads and parking lots can make water warmer. During summer seasons, the pavement gets quite hot, which creates warm runoff that gets in the water sewer system and water bodies. This means runoff water from urban areas, paved surfaces means flat surfaces like roads and parking places. From paved surfaces, the water reaches to sewer system. That causes increased temperature in the sewer system, that causes thermal pollution in water. Next, natural causes. Natural causes like volcanoes and geothermal activity under the oceans and seas can trigger warm lava to raise the temperature of water bodies. Lightning can also introduce massive amount of heat into the oceans. This means that the overall temperature of the water source will rise and having significant impacts on the environment. Here volcanic activity means Telugulo Agni Parvatalu. Geothermal activities means heat stored in the earth. These are the causes of thermal pollution. Effects of thermal pollution. First effect is decrease in DO, means dissolved oxygen levels. The warm water reduces the level of dissolved oxygen in water. The warm water hold relatively less oxygen than cold water. The decrease in dissolved oxygen can create suffocation for plants and animals such as fishes living in the water. This is one of the effect that is causing effect for plants and animals and for fishes. Next effect is increase in toxins. With the constant flow of high temperature discharge from industries, there is a huge increase in toxics that are being regurgitated into the natural body of water. These toxins may contain chemicals or radiation that may have harsh impact on the local ecology and make them susceptible to various diseases. This means toxins also discharged from the industries, that is into the water, is along with the heat, that is dangerous for the environment and also causing various diseases to the humans, that is due to water pollution. Next, another effect is loss of biodiversity. Here biodiversity means the number and types of plants and animals that is present in the particular area. This biodiversity is losing due to thermal pollution. A dent in the biological activity in the water may cause significant loss of biodiversity. Change in the environment may cause certain species of organisms that shift their because to some same other places, while there could be significant number of species that may shift in because of warm water, that animals and some other species are shifting from one area to another area, that is due to thermal pollution. Next effect is ecological impact. Ecology means here environment. Impact means effect. It affects on the environment also. A sudden thermal shock can result in mass killings of fish, insects, plants, and amphibians. Hot water may prove favorable for some species, while it could be lethal for other species. This means some species can live in the hot water, but some species can't live in the hot water. Small water temperature increases the level of activity, while higher temperatures decreases the level of activity. Many aquatic species are sensitive to small temperature. Small temperature changes such as 1 degree Celsius change that can cause significant changes in organism, metabolism, and other adverse cellular biology effects. Next, another effect is that affect reproductive system. A significant halt in the reproduction of marine wildlife. Although this may be true, reproduction can still occur between fish, but the likelihood of defects in a newborn is significantly higher. Can happen due to increase in temperature, as reproduction can happen within certain range of temperature. Excessive temperature can cause the release of immature eggs or can prevent normal development of certain eggs. This means normal development of fish eggs or defects may happen due to thermal pollution. Next, another effect is increase metabolic rate. Metabolic rate means increased requirement of food for the species or animals in the water. Thermal pollution increases the metabolic rate of organisms as increasing enzyme activity occurs that organisms to consume more food than what is normally required if their environment were not changed. It disturbs the stability of food chain and alter the balance of species composition. Next, another effect is migration. Migration means shifting of species from one area to another area. The warm water can also cause particular species of organisms to migrate to a suitable environment that would cater to its requirement for survival. This can result in loss for those species that depend on them for their daily food as their food chain is interrupted. తెలుగులో థర్మల్ పొల్యూషన్ అంటే ఉష్ణ కాలుష్యం. పరిశ్రమలలో పరికరాలను చల్లబరచడానికి ఉపయోగించబడే నీరు ఉష్ణాన్ని గ్రహించగా అది కాలువల ద్వారా, సరస్సులు, నదుల ద్వారా సముద్రాలలోకి చేరుతుంది. దీని ఫలితంగా నీటి ఉష్ణోగ్రత పెరిగి నీటిలోని జీవులు చనిపోతాయి. దీనిని ఉష్ణ కాలుష్యం అంటారు. థర్మల్ విద్యుత్, అణు విద్యుత్ ఉత్పత్తి కేంద్రాలు, లోహ పరిశ్రమలు, రసాయన, పెట్రోకెమికల్ పరిశ్రమలు ఈ రకమైన ఉష్ణ కాలుష్యానికి గల ప్రధాన కారణాలు.